That's the beam down, well, onto the top of the shack. That's the pole. I'm just taping it up now so it's easy for somebody to put back together. All bits will match. Rotator's knackered. I've got a new one. Happy days. Get this done. And then put the X up. So now I'm just getting rid of all these end bits. That first section's off and down. So it won't take long now. It's all colour coded for the next user. Easy to put together. It's been a pain in the arse though. Nice day. Back to it. There we go. Down. All colour coded. There's rotator off. That's knackered, that. Needs a good strip down. Right, I'll get my other rotator and see how the wiring looks. Bye for now. There you go, lads. Progress. Just got the storm supports to put on it now. And antenna wire. And then I've got to work out how I'm going to get the fucking thing up there. Nearly done. Happy days. There we go, lads.
Now you got to get down and get the beam in and all.
I can't get that fucker in.
Sit down on the chair and do it.
Oh my god, I've got a bad back. Oh, fucking hell. I'm still recording. There we go, we've conquered it. It's up, tested. We won't tell you about Andy's first plug he put on.
You have to get that in. You have to ruin the video.
Don't look bad, lads, does it? Happy.
We've had a multimeter from the start.
No, we didn't have a multimeter. My bad. I've only just realised that since I built the beam, Hex Beam, and put it up, I've not done any or recorded any footage with how it performs. So here's a bit of footage showing how the X is doing. I can't really show you in comparison to the beam because that's been sold. It's all been stripped down and sold. So I'll just show you the radio now. Oh, hang on, I'll turn it round. Now, I don't know how good the band is. Currently on 15, as you can see. Now what's interesting, for me anyway, look at the noise floor. And it's not back in any shape or form. Alright, it's on IPO, but don't need preamps. I've got no noise on 15. I do have every now and again I get some really bad interference. I think it's somebody's LED lamp or whatever. But 80% of the time, this is what it is. But anyway, the noise floor was an S 3 to 5 on 15 meters before. I'll just go through. I'll do it on here. It's easy for me to show you. I'll just go through the band. I've got 2 preamps on there. Let me get rid of that. So again, no noise floor. I'll put 1 preamp on. Yeah, with a preamp I'm getting about 2 to 3. Let's go up a bit. Let's go. Oh, I've got a 17. 17 meters. I'll put a preamp on. 2 to 3. That was anywhere between. Well, to be honest, that was a 3 constant, so it's well down. But I never use preamps, me. 20 meters. Just look how clean this is. I'll get off somewhere where there is nobody. Zero noise. I'll put a preamp on. And as you'd expect, it takes it up to 3. Again, I don't use them if I can get away with them. So, how does it perform in terms of comparison to the CUSHCRAFT? Well, it's miles. It's night and day different, absolutely. So at the minute, I've only got it up at well, this is right. It's 6.2 meters on the mast, but the 20 section is the furthermost on the Hex, and that's obviously upturned. So it's actually at 7 meters, is that? Which is about 24 foot, round about that magic figure, isn't it? And it absolutely cracks out. It receives superb and it cracks out. I was working Australia the other day, plus 10 into Australia, with 100 straight out the backside of this thing. Never ever. I've never been a 5 and 9 into Australia, never mind. Plus 10. Conditions were superb, granted, but. And it was short path. But the overall performance of this Hex, I'm a lot stronger into all the usual contacts that, that I make. And the audio is a lot cleaner as well. The bands themselves are cleaner, and my noise floor is reduced. Well, it's 0. It's very good. Happy days. So I've got a new rotator on there. Changed all the coax out. I went for the Ultraflex 7 because I'm tight. I'm from West Yorkshire, but it's good. It's good coax, budget coax, but very, very good. I've got that up there with some nice plugs on it, some of them crimp ones. So all that's been changed out, and it certainly is. It's performing miles better. I'm not knocking the CUSHCRAFT because I love the thing. Absolutely superb bit of kit. But just in comparative terms, so far, this Hex Beam just wipes the floor with it. It's miles better. Not pushing Stuart's software. But that's his version 2. Desktop version of Station Master. Superb bit of kit. If you haven't got it, go get it. I'm still using the dipole for 40. I'll try and show you what I mean about the 20 antenna, the 20 wire on the Hex. Well, you know how these things work. They're upturned, aren't they? Like that. So the 20 is the top one, and that means then that it's 7 meters. I use the spider pole for the homebrew dipole, 40 meters. I pull it up with all them strings, and it ends up going right up there, top of the apex, to the feed point, which is 12 meters when it's lifted, and then it's on a sloper at the back, to the back of the shack. I've just got a few guy ropes to put in on the scaff pole mast, and then we're good to go. But yeah, don't and they don't look that big, the Hex beams, right? So when you're building the thing up, you can see on the videos it took over my garden. Absolutely. I didn't think I was going to get it in. It's huge. And it's a lot bigger. The footprint's a lot bigger than the CUSHCRAFT. But when it's in the air, wow, what a difference. What a difference. It don't look anywhere near as big. Strange. Because it is a bigger footprint, bigger antenna, but it just don't look it. So don't be scared of them, guys. You know, if you've already got a mini beam up or something like that and you fancy an X but worried about the size, go for it. It don't look nowhere near as big as what it actually is. Right, hope you like the video. And I think that's about it. If I can find any more footage, I didn't film much of it when I was building it up and that's my fault, but if I can find any more, I'll post it later. Right, 7-3 for now.